How to share any product on eBay to WhatsApp directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any product on eBay to WhatsApp directly, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to eBay app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this laptop right here. Now if you want to share it, all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots and choose share this item option. Click on it, and now you will swipe right and you will find WhatsApp option. Just click on it and it will be shared. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.